Hello everyone, and welcome back to Master Math with Rami. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about complementary angles, what they are, how to recognize them, and how to find a missing angle step by step. By the end of this video, you will be able to define complementary angles clearly, solve problems involving missing angles, understand their relationship in a right triangle. So grab your notebook, focus with me, and let us master this concept together. Complementary angles are angles that add up to 90 degrees. We can say that two angles are complementary if their sum is 90 degrees. As you can see here, we have a right angle. This is right angle. That means this is 90 degrees. 90 degrees. We can say that two angles are complementary if their sum is 90 degrees. If we just look here, we know that we have angle A and angle B. It's clearly from here that angle A plus angle B equals to 90 degrees, since this is a right angle from the shape. If we have a right angle 90 degrees and it is divided into angle A and B, then both angles are complementary to each other. This is the main rule. This is the main rule that A plus B equals to 90, then both angles are complementary. Find the missing angle. The question is, find the missing angle. We know that we have two angles. This is 60, and the other angle, you can say it as B. This angle is A, and this angle is B. We know that both angles are complementary since the summation of them is 90. Angle A plus angle B equals to 90 degrees. This is a right angle, right angle. Angle A is 60 plus B, that's what we are looking for, 90. So angle B equals to 90 negative 60, which equals to 30 degrees. So the answer is here is 30 degrees. If we just bring the protractor to measure the angles, okay, as you can see, the protractor has two numbers. If we want to read the angle counterclockwise, you just use this one. And if you want to read clockwise, use the external scale. Angle A is 60, it's already none. And this angle is 30, since 90 negative 60 equals to 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Another two questions. Find also the missing angles, 45, and we are looking for angle B. This is angle A. We know that both angle A and B are complementary angles since the summation of them is 90 degrees. So A plus B equals 90. A is 45 plus B, the angle that we are looking for, 90. B equals 90 negative 45, which equals to 45 degrees. So the angle here is 45 degrees. Another question. We know that this angle is 20, this angle is A, and this angle is B. Both angles are complementary, since the summation of them equals to 90. Then A plus B equals to 90. A is 20 plus B equals 90. B equals 90, negative 20. Just take this to the side. Then B measurement equals to 70 degrees. 70 degrees. One last thing we want to talk about, which is complementary angles don't have to be next to each other. In the previous questions, we found angles, they were close to each other. Now, complementary angles don't have to be next to each other. We have a right triangle. A right triangle is a triangle that has one angle equal to 90 degrees, a right angle, and in our case, which is, where is it? Here. This is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. C. The sum of the angles in any triangle is 180. We know that. A plus B plus C equals to 180. Since one angle is 90 degrees, which is C, then the remaining two angles must add up to 90. We know that this is the summation angle of the triangle. Negative 90, which is angle C. So the remaining is 90 degrees, which represent the summation of complementary angles. So angle A and angle B equals to 90 degrees, and both are complementary. The main idea that they don't have to be next to each other. You see, this is the main idea in our notes in here.